Why was ISRO's Mars mission a first attempt success? Imagine launching a spacecraft to a planet millions of miles away and having it succeed on the very first try. That's exactly what India's space agency, the Indian Space Research Organization, achieved with its Mars orbiter mission, also called Mangalyaan. This was a big deal because most space agencies take multiple tries to reach Mars. So, what made ISRO's mission a success on the first attempt? Let's find out. First, ISRO spent years planning every step carefully. They studied previous missions from NASA and the European Space Agency to learn what worked and what didn't. They used this knowledge to design a mission that was simple but effective. They kept the mission cost low by using existing technology and avoiding unnecessary extras. This approach helped them focus on what really mattered for reaching Mars. Another key factor was the way they launched the spacecraft. Instead of sending Mangalyaan directly toward Mars, they put it into a highly elliptical orbit around Earth. Over several weeks, the spacecraft fired its engines at just the right moments to build up speed and escape Earth's gravity. This method, called a gravity assist or multi-burn approach, saved fuel and made the journey more efficient. It's similar to how astronauts perform precise maneuvers during docking or landing. ISRO also prepared the spacecraft to operate on its own. Since signals between Earth and Mars can take up to 42 minutes to travel, the spacecraft had to make decisions by itself. It could adjust its course or handle emergencies without waiting for instructions. This autonomy was crucial for the success of the mission and showed how well ISRO engineers understood the importance of reliable systems. The experience gained from earlier missions helped too. ISRO had already launched Chandrayaan-1, India's lunar orbiter, which provided valuable lessons on operating spacecraft from Earth. These lessons improved their ability to track and communicate with Mangalyaan during its long journey. Cost was another important aspect. ISRO used existing technology and kept the mission affordable, spending around $74 million. This was much less than similar missions from other space agencies. Their focus on efficiency and resourcefulness meant they could achieve their goal without overspending. In the end, the success of ISRO's Mars mission on the first try came down to careful planning, smart engineering, autonomous systems, and lessons learned from past projects. These are similar to how astronauts train for missions, practicing procedures and troubleshooting in realistic environments. It shows that with good preparation and teamwork, even a first attempt can succeed in reaching new frontiers in space exploration.